Good morning, everybody. Dominoes 7 here. What's up, y'all? Back again. Okay. So, I'm right across the street from. Well, I'm about to walk across the street. All right. So, what I want to do, show y'all. I want to show y'all. It's my this is my old high school. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to take a look at this. John Mack Senior High. Yep. Who remember going to this school? Huh. Who remember going to this school? That's all I want to know. If you're from New Orleans, though. I doubt if Tanya watching this video. Tanya, if you're watching this, you did not go to John Mack. Look here. You did not go to John Mack, okay? She gonna claim that she went to this school. Huh. I asked her who's the principal, who are the teachers. She couldn't even tell me. And across the street there, I ain't know what that was over there. I never knew what that was. Huh. Hello, Talia, if you're watching. Okay. Bring y'all on this side. There's a playground over here. And look what they did to the gym. Yes, indeed. Look what the hell they did to the gym. Yep. Yes, indeed. Ain't nothing illegal about taking videos or whatnot. I'm on a public sidewalk, you know. I don't know if that's gonna stop on me or what. Look at the newly renovated gym. They put the upstairs on the inside. I don't know what they did to this gym. Yep. Look at all that. You see? I might go to McDonald's 28 and film over there too. You know? Look how everything look. I hope Randy TV is watching though. Yes indeed. Alright. I remember they had a shooting over here. Like K-Man got killed. Inside the gymnasium. So, all right. Hey, how you doing? Oh yeah, taking pictures of my old high school. Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that. So anyway, folks, showing y'all what my high school looked like. You know, okay. So, let me go. Wait a minute. Well, anyway, never mind that. I'm gonna see y'all later. All right, bye.